Dude, let's draw. All right, everybody. Welcome back to Dude, Let's Draw. We're here today to draw the third cute little bugger from Pokemon Scarlet and Violet, Quaxly. Quack, quack. And Quaxly is a duckling Pokemon, and we're going to get started. So, I'm going to draw a little circle in the middle, like we've been doing before. I'm going to draw a teeny tiny little neck here. And then an oval-ish type body. An oval-ish type body. Yeah. And I'm going to draw two little sticks. For another set of two sticks. And some triangles. So let me do this slowly. I'm going to make it go out in an angle. Make this go out in an angle. And then make it come together. Oh, yeah. All right. Now, remember, I'm drawing, but I like to adjust as I go along. So I'm sketching it out, roughing it out, so that way I get a feel for how I'm going to have Quaxly look. Okay. I'm going to put Quaxly's little baby eyes in here. Look at him. They're all very cute. At first I saw them and I was like, I don't know. But you know what? Quaxly's okay. I'm going to put the beak. The beak is very close. If you could see here, see with the cross, it's kind of dividing everything into two. So I'm just getting the beak in there like so. That's a big beak. It's a big beak. Let's see. The beak just goes all the way out. Oh boy. All the way out. Make it come all the way out. Sketching wildly. All right. I'm going to erase this little corner here. Coolio. All right, let's get a little smile. I want the smile in there now. I want it now. Little dots. It's got like a little kitty smile. Almost. Okay. Let's finish the eyes. Actually, no. Let's move on to the hair. He's got like a pompadour. And actually, before we do that, let's fix the head. The head is actually rounded off, kind of like this. It's a little weird. It's very different. So what I'm going to do is look at his head and just make it a little lumpier. Bring the pencil down. And then bring it in a little bit further. Bring it out. Bring it down. And bring it in further. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, cool. Now let's get that hair. Got a little spot for his pompadour. A little swoop. It gets close to his eyes. And then we're going to have a curve up here. And bring it around. Another around there. Now, I made my Quaxly a little too big. If you're at home and you make things too big, adjust. I'm just going to shrink it a little bit. Beautiful. Cool. I'm going to make the top of his head big. Because we got this hair to be big. Make it come out. There we go. Make it come out. Bring it in. And then, like the alligator tail, make a little spiky. And bring it coming right back in. Oh, yeah. There he looking cute. I want to put his eyes in. Get his eyes in on the other side. Very nice. Little bit of tuft of fur here. And now, our Quaxly's really, really out there. So let's adjust the body. I'm going to bring in the parts of the body. Okay. He's got like little leg pouches, I guess you could say. Okay. Bring it in. Cool. We're getting there. Getting it in there. Beautiful. Let's get the wing. I'm going to bring it down. Down and out. And you get a little thumb. And bring it in so that way we can show that Quaxly's like ready to go. I'm going to make my Quaxly give a yes. I'm doing it. Because Pokemon like they have so much personality for being little creatures of joy and for our entertainment. Yes, fight for me. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, you know I'm not wrong. Those who are watching, y'all know I'm not wrong. People are saying it's glorified dog fighting, but I mean, it's an invented different culture. To each their own, I guess, you know? Okay. And then Quaxly's got this little W up here. That's just that's an interesting design choice, but, you know, you like it, you like it. All right, let me keep adjusting. Adjust. There we go. I think I want it like that. All right. Now we have a Quaxly. Oh, yeah. Let me fix his feet. Some extra minor details. Looks like they're a little round on the edge. A little round on the edge. Bring it in. Round on the outside. Bring it in. And then round on the outside. Bring it in. You know? Here and here. Sorry for yawning. It's late. I'm so passionate about drawing these Pokemon. They're just so cute. And they're easy to draw. I wonder if Quaxly has a tail. They don't show it to us. But I hope we get like a full turnaround. And then their evolutions very soon. Alright, cool. Now, I'm gonna clean Quaxly up. I'm gonna put it in with... I'm gonna put lower the opacity. Okay. And I'm gonna get his face all cleaned up. And get that in there. I'm gonna put his little hair floofer. I'm gonna make mine a little floofier. Yes. The floofier, the better. And get... Oops. See what happens when you're sleepy? You drive the car off the cliff. Oh no, it's not to my liking. Take your time. I'm having fun even though I'm tired, but at the same time, just don't draw when you're sleepy, because sometimes you'll end up with some scribbly scrabblies. All right, I'm gonna get the eye, the other eye, get them circles. Know your basics. Get the outside of the eye right here. Oh, let's see if that makes sense. Oh, cool. Get Quaxly's beak. The beak shouldn't be so sharp because I keep forgetting he's a duck. When I draw beaks, I usually like make hawk type beaks. So this was kind of hard for me in my mind to not just, don't draw a hawk beak. All right, let's get that smile. I want each end to be like kitty-like. Get the nose. Let's get them arms in there, baby. Filling that back in. Quaxly's chest. Ugh, what did I do? There we go. No, it's like a shoop. It's like a V, a very soft V. That's better. That's better. Okay, and now I'm going to finish the body. Are you going to be cosplaying Quaxly? I know you are. I see that you've made your cosplay and you've worked very hard. Good job, buddy. You gonna be a Quaxly yet? Will you evolve? I guess I'll never know. Late night drawing with me, Jen Yoko. As we draw Pokemon. We draw Pokemon. Sorry. Don't fall asleep. All right, let's get that W. I'm gonna use the W as a color. I'm gonna color it in. All right, we got a Quaxly. Beautiful. Now there's something I learned. Apparently, I could just color in the lines. Whoop-dee-dee. Didn't know that. Had I known, I would have done that before. You know what I'm saying? You make mistakes. And even if you don't make mistakes, you'll still make mistakes. And then you learn from them. And then get loves. Okay. I dropped something. Oopsies. Okay. Now I'm going to duplicate this. I'm duplicating the layer just in case if I make boo-boos. Alright. Quaxly. Now's the moment of truth. I am going to... Actually, I'm going to put a blue. He's got like a specific blue. I want to make it a little bit paler of a white. And I'm just gonna... I'm gonna change the paper to dark because I don't know if I can see the color behind Quaxly. So, alright, that's not a color. That's not the color I want. Guys, calm down. Okay. Now, I'm gonna use this white. I'm gonna use this blue. Okay. Alright, gonna get the white in there. It does work! I spent all this time! I spent all this time doing extra work when I didn't need to. I'm so sleepy. And I just tried. I try so hard. Alright, guys, get over it. I'm over it, guys. I promise I'm over it. I'm just gonna color his eyes now. I'm gonna... Before I finish the eyeball, I'm gonna put this in here. No, that looks so horrible. I sound like the Ring. Here we go. Trying to figure out the right color for the eye. That should do. Now I can alternate. There we go. So I'm gonna get the bucket again. Boop. And then get this. And I'm running on tired, sleepy. And I'm gonna put white in the middle, which is interesting that he's got white pupils, you know? Get that yellow for the beak, baby. Yeah. Yellow for that beak. Beautiful. Quaxly, you're looking sly, my friend. Alright, I'm gonna use the same blue, but I'm gonna make it a little darker. Still a teeny bit. Is it the same blue? I can't tell. Hopefully, y'all, the colors that I pick won't be too wild. And then the piece de resistance. ZW. And then it's a W like this. And there you have it. You have a Quaxly. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining me at Dude Let's Draw. Like and subscribe. Tell me how you liked my sleep-induced drawing. I'm very tired. And, well, we'll see you again later. Bye-bye!